Hi everybody, how we all are? Hope you all are fine. I'm your English teacher, Sharanamma K ma'am. Welcome you all to 5th English online class for class 7 and 8. Today's topic is types of sentences. As you know, we have studied in a previous class about what is sentence and the features of sentence. Now today let us move with the next concept related to the sentence, that is types of sentences. Look at this. Okay, there is a list of kinds of sentence beginning with assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence and optative sentence. There are how many kinds of sentence here? Yes, there are 5 kinds of sentences. These sentences are classified into 5 categories according to the meaning and functions. Now let us study them one by one. In today's class, I am going to explain you about first 3 kind, that is assertive, which is also known as declarative sentence, interrogative sentence and imperative sentence. Now let's begin with the first kind. What is assertive sentence? The sentences which state or declare something, they are called assertive sentences and they end with a full stop. These assertive sentences can be affirmative and negative. For example, it's warm day. This sentence states the affirmative, whereas the next, it is not warm today, it is a negative sentence. For example, I'll just give you some more example. The earth moves round the sun, right? Is one more example of assertive sentence. Okay, cow is domestic animal. This is also an assertive sentence. Well, now look at the note provided to you here. Sentences that contain not or no are called negative sentences. This is all about the assertive sentences. Now let us deal with the next kind, that is imperative sentences. Which sentences are known as imperative sentences? Sentences that express a command, request, advice, order or suggestion are called imperative sentences. Observe the examples here. Please tell me what happened is the first example. This sentence expresses the request. Now, second example. Do you work hard? Yes. It is also a sentence, but it is not an assertive sentence. Is that? Yes. Now look at the third kind. Do your homework properly? Yes, of course. This is an sentence which expresses order. Well, let us know the features of imperative sentences. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop, as you observe in the example above, right? Now next is, it tells us to do something through request, command, order, advice or suggestion. Let us deal with some more examples to know it very clearly. We may ask or we may use the expressions, that is to express a command. For example, come here, a example, right? The B1, that is bring the box here. These two sentences, what do they express? Yes, they express a command. Now let us go. In order to make a request, for example, help, please help me clean the cupboard, right? This is an sentence which expresses a request. Hope you allow me to help your mother sometimes to clean the cupboard or kitchen. Well, now let us know to give some advice, right? For example, never lose your patience, right? Never we should lose our patience. Well, next let us know what further, that is next kind of interrogative case sentence. I mean to say kinds of sentences. Among those kinds of sentences, the one more is interrogative sentence. Which kind of sentence is known as interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Interrogative itself expresses, isn't it? Yes. Observe this example, right? What are you doing? Yeah. This is a question asking sentence which begins with a WH question and ends with what punctuation mark? Yes, with the question mark. Well, let us know, okay, the features of interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Well, it asks something. Yes, it begins with words, I mean to say, like how, what, when, right? Now we got a chance here, okay, well, to change the types of sentences or kinds of sentences from one to another. For example, when declarative or assertive sentences are converted into interrogative sentences, certain changes take place. Let us study them through an example. Observe the example here. I can go is an sentence which is declarative sentence. This declarative can be changed into interrogative, that's question asking sentence. How can we do that? Observe the changes made here, right? Can I go? Right? This changes into interrogative sentence. The word order is changed in an interrogative sentence where the auxiliary verbs in this sentence, it changes its position and comes before the subject, forming can I go, right? That is interrogative sentence, interrogative form. One more example just to observe here. He eats a banana every day. It is a declarative sentence. Now to change it into an interrogative sentence. It begins like this. Does he eat a banana every day? Yes, it's ending with the interrogative mark, that is a question mark, forming the interrogative sentence. Hope you all understood how to change declarative sentences into interrogative sentences. Now next let us study the further kinds of sentences in our next classes. Hope you all have understood, children, the kinds of sentences in today's class. Let us meet once again in the next class. Hope you all understood. See you again. Bye bye. Thank you, everybody.